All right, so today in the Castle Lanes, of course, we're going to be working on the masking unit. And let me show you what we have cut and what we're going to put together. So I have here a couple of, where's my other one? Of course, it's underneath one of my other pieces. I've got a couple of 1x3 pieces of wood. I've actually cut a 45-degree bevel on both of them. And the idea here is I'm going to put them along this support right here and have it match up pretty much right in front of this board down here. So there's going to be a match right there, and then will be also on the other side. Now, to help me with placement of this, I am going to actually take this piece, which is the front of our masking unit, as our camera person backs up. And this piece right here is basically just a 4x2 sheet of plywood, 4-foot-by-2 sheet of plywood. I'm going to put it here to start. And you'll notice how it does not interfere with the ball return. I'm going to screw it in on the bottom, and then I'm going to screw it in on the additional anchor points. And we'll do that right now and get the other component here also. This is what's left of what I cut off of it. And this is going to go somewhere around here, just again to give clearance for the ball return. And we'll fill in that bottom at some point with a couple of scraps. Okay, so here is the end of the, well, at least the end of the video. What we did today was we just kind of worked on this masking unit. We still have a couple of things to iron out. You can see we have an opening for the ball return, and that particular ball, see, you can see the ball come out in the back there. My daughter is behind the masking unit, and you can't tell, and now you can. So it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's going to act as a nice little sound shield for the person bowling, and also for when we come around the back here, we're going to be using this surface here to put some acoustic paneling, and then we're going to extend a little canopy as well, plywood, that will also put some additional soundproofing on. So you'll see a little bit more about that in our soundproofing video once we finish everything up with that. So that's our masking unit, and thank you very much for your help today, and thanks for watching Copper Castle. Have a nice day.